What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Twisted Angle Garage. In this video, I am going to show you how I turned this blank canvas on the side of my car into this with custom lettering. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, and follow along. Here we go. Alright everybody, we got our stencil cut out and peeled. We got the car cleaned off. Alright, we got the stencil on the car. We got some white one-shot sign paint. That's what pinstripers use. Just pretty much got a small brush, and we're going to brush it on, and then we'll go from there. I'm going to pour a little bit into a cup. Now, this is just, I'm using a bit bigger brush because of the bigger letters, but this is just a cheap paint brush. I should really be using a smaller brush. Just got me a pick and pull all this off while it is still wet. Now we're going to come back after this is dried for a while, and we will stuff it, and then it'll be ready to clear coat. Seeing as how it's on a rat rod, I don't really care about these few little details on it. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to sand it down anyways.